Hi everyone, welcome back to Mad Money Murph. This is Market Update with Mad Money Murph. That's me. The markets didn't tumble as much today as they did yesterday. I'll rephrase that. The gold and silver markets got a little crushed today, but the crypto and stock markets didn't tumble as much as they did yesterday. But let's go ahead and get into it. Bitcoin was down 3% today. And that's, of course, as of right now, because Bitcoin, these cryptos trade 24/7. So that's as of the time of the video. By the way, it is Thursday, May 12th, 2022. Bitcoin down 3% to $28,589. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I personally think, given the broader economics of the country, that the Bitcoin price is going to fall lower. And that's based on also what we saw in 2016, 17, 18-ish. I do believe that price is going to get down closer to the 20,000, but this is not financial advice. Just some dude on YouTube that also likes to dabble in some crypto. But I do think it's going to get down there toward the 20,000 range, 21, 22. We'll see. The routing has slowed a little bit, but we'll see. Ethereum, number 2, 1939. That's down 8.95%. So that one's down still quite a bit again. With Ethereum, we've got some things coming up pretty soon here that I think will help that. And I really don't think that, yes, it will. I think it will still come down some. I personally was buying at the 1500 range, most of what I have. So can it get back down to 15? Yes, but there are a lot of things that are happening with Ethereum that will help the price in the long run. Tether, 99 cents. That's coming in at number 3. USDC, $1. Again, those are just pegged to the dollar. The Binance coin, 269, are down 1%. XRP, still taking a beating, down 6.93% to 38 cents. I'm definitely a buyer of Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Cardano. Just still waiting myself for that moment. But those are 4 coins that I'm personally wanting to buy more of. Binance USD, again, $1. Number 8, Cardano, down 8.81% to 48 cents. That one just continues to take a pummeling. Solana, down 8.4%, 44.60, and rounding out the top 10 at number 10 is Dogecoin, down 2.54% to basically 8 cents. Let me scroll down and see if I can find Shiba Inu. Boy, that's getting killed too. It's down 7% today. 0.00001. It's just getting pummeled. Let's see where the ape coin is. Again, that's just because I know it's been really hot and popular lately. Boy, I really had a feeling of this too. That coin is up 28% today to $7.42. By the way, I was up late last night. And I did notice that most of these coins were down quite substantially more than when I did the market recap yesterday evening. So I think that's one reason why you see ApeCoin. It's up 28%, but that's 28% from wherever the low was. So between the time of my video and today, it had gone down substantially more. And now it's back up to $7.41. Had a feeling. It's a very popular coin. They've got a lot going on, and I think it'll continue to be that way. That's me personally. I don't own ApeCoin. The hype was a bit much for me, but I would like to look for an entry point into it. So that is the crypto market. Now let's move over to the stock market. Dow Jones down 103 points, not a huge move, down to 31,730. The S&P 500 down 5 points to 3930. Not much to speak of there. NASDAQ was actually up 6.73% to 11,370. So not a terrible day in the stock market. Pretty close to even with the Dow and the S&P 500, and then up a little bit for the NASDAQ. And some of those gainers were blocked. We've been noticing them a lot lately. They've been down. They were up 6.37% to $75.76. Snap, that's another one that's been down. That was up 4.26% to $22.77. So lot of stuff going on. Let's look to see. Let's see any major news. Crypto investors panic during market bloodbath. I will lose my home. More than 7 trillion has been wiped out of the stock market this year. Yeah, it's been a brutal year. And I don't know, if you couldn't see it coming, you should have been able to, with all the money printing and things that were happening. I think you probably should have been able to see the writing. Now, for me personally, I've said this before, we're just going to wait out the storm and just continue to pile in to our 401k Roth IRAs. As far as the crypto, I've told you before, I'm still we're in it, but sitting on the sidelines a little bit, waiting for more of a buying opportunity and funds to come in. I'm a real estate agent, and funds come in, sporadically. So definitely want to get dollar cost average in more than what I am so far. So let's see a couple more headlines. Mortgage rates continue to climb. Yeah, of course, and they're going to continue to climb with the inflation the way it is. And the Fed is going to keep raising their the Fed rate. They're going to continue to rise. King County, the Seattle Times reports King County property values rise at unprecedented rates. Tax hikes likely. Well, I think tax hikes are likely everywhere across the nation. It just is what it is. It's not a good thing, but it is what it is. So that is what we've got there. Let's see if there are any. I don't see any major companies down any significant amount. So gold and silver. Gold was down quite a bit. Gold was down $32 to $1822.70. And it's to be expected, right? If you watch the markets at all, when the market has a decent day, when the stock market has a decent day, and or a good day, gold is generally down, gold and silver generally down, and then vice versa. Unfortunately, I do hold gold and silver, physical, and unfortunately for me, if the market goes down a lot, I would like to see gold and silver go up a lot, but unfortunately there are forces within the gold and silver markets that hinder that. They are very massively manipulated. So, and that's unfortunate, but I can't do anything about that. I can still just hold it, and hopefully in the future, I hate to base it on hope, but in the future it's worth a lot more. It should be based on economics of things, but we'll see. Silver was down 4.2% or 91 cents to $20.71. So overall, not too bad of a day for anything. It's unfortunate that the cryptos took such a bloodbath last night or yesterday and into last night. Still going down for the most part, but hopefully that will even out a little bit. And I do want to tell you, if you're out there and you watch this video, don't panic. Whatever you do, don't panic. These things, there are cycles, and the worst thing you could do is sell into a panic. Hold on. It's going to be a ride, and this is going to be a huge ride. We've never really had any type of recessionary period where we've had not only the stock market and the minerals market, or excuse me, the commodities markets, but now we have this crypto market. Just hold on, stay steady, stay the course, and I do truly believe that it'll work out. The people who lose the most are those who sell into the fear. And so I like to remind myself, even, it's scary. I like to, especially when you were up 98% back in November, I was up 98% of my crypto holdings, and now we're super close to even. So don't sell into the hype. Don't sell into the being scared. I like to remember the adage that Warren Buffett says, be greedy when others are fearful, and fearful when others are greedy. Don't forget that. It's so easy to let these things get to you. So if you got any value out of this video, if you like the videos, I would love it if you would please like, subscribe, and share. Comment down below in the comments whether you like it, don't like it, things that I'm missing, things that I'm doing well, not well. I've been very honest. I don't necessarily understand everything there is to know about the stable coins. I just like to read through the top 10 of the cryptos. It doesn't really, those things don't interest me as much at this point. But anyways, if you get value out of it, like, subscribe, comment below, share it, and we'll keep it going. If you'd like to get a little money back when you invest in crypto, check out the link below for Voyager. Same thing goes for stocks. If you check out the link below for M1 Finance for stocks. And last but not least, if you're interested in learning how to sell on Amazon, there's a course in the links below that I used and I still use. It's an ongoing program called Amazing, and that link is in the description below as well. So anyways, hope you guys have a great day. Don't buy into all the fear. Stay the course, and we'll be back again tomorrow for another video. All right, take care. Bye now.